Okay, so we're recording now. I've blocked out that light. I've got the microphone on. Remember, just tap to check that that microphone is recording and you haven't somehow accessed the other microphone, the internal microphone. Tapping the microphone is the best way to check all these things. Rightio, let's talk about talking with your hands. As I said before, you don't want to be stiff, hands locked. It doesn't really lend itself towards a warm presentation. You want to use your hands a little bit. You want to have some safe places that you want to place your hands. I find this one is not a bad one if you just want to rattle through some figures. So in the forecast this month is the Dow Jones is going to be down quite a bit. If you want to hammer home a point, maybe not a fist, but something like this might be okay. Okay, this is not too bad. Talking like this, maybe if you're talking about one side to another. Be wary of lights though. If you start moving your hands around too much and you've got lights, you can get shadows going across your face and things like that. So just be a bit wary about where lights are when you move your hands. And also you don't want to go crazy with your hands. You know, we're not doing star jumps or anything like that. So just keep your hands perhaps locked like this or like this. And then now and then, you know, you do a few of these things just to help you hammer home some points.